Hello. Today I'm going to be reviewing the speeches, the DIY speeches, number one, of Brooke, Kibbe, and Elizabeth Cohen. They both did sequential speeches. Brooke's recipe on her yogurt breakfast was done very well. I think that she spoke very clearly. She was very easy to understand. The recipe was simple. She did a how-to step-by-step showing the ingredients of the yogurt or of the yogurt dish of what to put in it. She showed exactly how to layer the ingredients into the dish. She explained the importance of each ingredient and the health benefits of each ingredient. She showed the end result of the recipe at the end. She showed what it looks like after, and she even tasted it and explained her opinion about the dish. She really liked it. She expressed how easy it was to make, which it really was easy to make. I made it myself, and it's easy and delicious. The only critique that I would give her really is that the video seemed a little bit dark. She maybe could use some better lighting in the next video, or maybe shoot it in a room that is a little bit, has a little bit more light. Otherwise, I think she did a really great job, and I enjoyed watching her video because she speaks very clearly and slow, and it's easy to understand what she's saying. It's not all jumbled together and quickly done. So she took her time and she did a good job as far as that goes. Also maybe showing, maybe her sitting in front of the camera and talking about the end result, the yogurt, explaining why she really likes it. But seeing her face, I think then draws in the viewer a little bit more. So maybe in the next video, she should consider maybe doing some in front of the camera speaking, either at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video to introduce or recap. Otherwise, I think she did an excellent job, and I really liked watching the video. I would give her an 8. And then the next video is Elizabeth Cohen. She also did sequential. She showed us a step-by-step how to do acrylic painting for beginners. She offered good tips and advice about saving money and buying some cost-effective materials, even using things you have at home instead of having to go out and buy expensive materials, which I appreciated. She explained everything that you need to do a painting, to create the painting. She explained a little bit about the process of painting. She was clear and easy to understand. I understood everything that she had to say. It was a good speech. She's a very good speaker. I think she comes off very confident. She's very relaxed. She doesn't seem nervous at all. She doesn't stutter. She doesn't use a lot of filler words. So I like watching her speak. She also seems like she's just talking to you like you're in the room. So that's also, I like that as well. I think that the two things about her speech that I would have improved would be possibly there was like an echo when she spoke in the room that she was at. So maybe the next video should be in maybe a little bit better room acoustically. And I think that seeing her actually painting a picture or having an end product to show us would have been really good ending to the video. So otherwise, I think she did an excellent job. I really enjoy her speeches, and I would give her also an 8. So you guys both did really well. They were both entertaining and easy to watch, and I make that yogurt dish, Brooke, actually a couple times this week, and it's very good. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks.